Real life situations. Yep. I used to love you, put no one above you, straight up adored you, then you turn around and left. I had your daughter 24 hours of labor, now you saying you can't make it till your baby girlfriend's playing. Yeah, that shit hurt, and it really sucks. I'll just explain to her when she get older that you can never raise a man, no matter how tight you wanted to hold his hand. Mama gon' always be here to hold you. Mama gon' always be here to console you, show you in the right direction with no secrets nor exceptions. Cause I'ma keep it real no matter how life treats you, baby. You always remain my first lady. You taught me so much, didn't need no luck, no help, no sweat, I got this. But I just want you to know, baby, it wasn't my pride. Deep down inside, I cried and cried and cried. Tried to keep the family going, but things wasn't working. I was unhappy and I didn't deserve it. With you by my side, I had to be strong, build a home. Had to block your dad from my phone. Cause every time he called, it was one lie after another. And I really didn't want you to suffer from all that crazy shit he was yelling, just trying to butter you up so he could see who I was attending. But see, baby, this is what I mean. If he wanted us so bad, why the fuck did he just get up and leave? Cause you can't raise a man.